seems like everyone up here drives like a big truck, and none of them have mufflers. So if you can't hear any of this, that's why. Hey, my name is Malcolm, and I'm the bike mechanic on the 2022 TDA North American Epic. Welcome to Inuvik. The past couple of mornings I've woken up and like the first thought was like, I'm in the Arctic, but this feels like almost anywhere else. You know, the hotel is really comfortable. So I think I put together like 800 bikes yesterday. It's 30 degrees outside, and it's kind of a shock, you know, the heat here. And I think I have 500 more to go. Full sun all day. So it feels like we could really be in, I don't know, I want to say like Arizona right now, and you look at the pictures from winter and you're like, yeah, like this is actually the Arctic. It's hard to believe. I mean, it's kind of a big contradiction to be here in summer. Rush hour in Inuvik. Man, the Dempster is going to be particularly dusty and maybe even muddy. You know, it looks like everyone has really nice bikes, and we're going to keep them that way, keep them clean, running well. I mean, so far I've been working with the staff for about a week, and they're all amazing people. And I've met about half the riders so far, and I can already tell that they're going to be a good group, and that I'm going to, you know, keep in touch with a lot of them for a long time. My name's Malcolm, and I'm the bike mechanic on the TDA 2022 North American Epic. What else?